Lead contamination has been in the news a lot lately, and here's why. Lead is really harmful to small children and unborn babies. Humans ingest and inhale lead most often through house dust, dirt, drinking water, and lead paint. It damages the brain and the nervous system, causing slow growth and development, hearing and speech problems, and learning and behavior issues that can last a lifetime. And there's no known safe level of lead. Now, this may sound scary, but there are things we can do to reduce that harm. It is possible to lower your lead risks and protect children before they're affected.
Where is all this lead in our neighborhoods? Well, it may be in the soil around your home. Lead doesn't break it down or disappear in soil. It can come from old lead paint or leaded gasoline, or even contamination from industries that operated years ago. So when you come inside your home, take off your shoes and wash your hands. If you're gardening, build a raised bed and cover it with new soil. Then wash and peel any vegetables you grow. Cover bare dirt with mulch, grass, or other plants, and try to keep the soil from blowing by watering often, especially in areas next to your home where paint may have gotten into the soil. It's also helpful to get a HEPA filter for your vacuum and to clean your floors often. If your home has lead paint, it can peel off or turn into dust over time. You can remove this lead by wiping surfaces often with wet wipes, especially windowsills. But don't ever dry sand old paint off the walls, because that can spread leaded dust all over. The Center for Disease Control recommends that children should be tested for lead at 12 months and 24 months. Tests should be free with Medicaid or insurance.
The Notre Dame Lead Innovation Team program provides test kits so you can test for lead in your home. When you get your lead test kit, you're going to test house dust, paint, and soil. To test the house dust, find 3 wet wipes in 3 small bags. Take a wet wipe out of the package, but don't unfold it. Our test works best when all of the dust is collected in one small location on the wipe. You're going to collect house dust on the side of the folded wipe and then slide it back into the bag. Write down where you collected your samples on the form in the test kit and place each sample bag back into the same compartment in the tray. For your first sample, wipe 5 windowsills with the same wipe before placing it inside the bag. The dustier the wipe, the easier it will be for the lab test to test it. Now for sample 2. Wipe a surface that isn't cleaned often, like a ceiling fan or the top of a door. Wipe a number of surfaces if you need to get a visible layer of dust on your wipe. Then slide it into the second bag. Finally, take the third wipe and wipe your porch floor, an outside stair rail, or the threshold of your house.
Use one test bag to collect paint inside your house and the other to collect paint outside your house. Look for old paint that is peeling, chipping, or cracking, because this is the most likely to expose you to lead. Find the 2 small bags in the test kit that have a white card. The labels should have a P on them for paint. Take out the white card and peel the plastic off the sticky tape. Put the sticky side onto the paint and check whether any paint chips or powder stuck to the tape. If the paint won't come off on the tape, it's likely that it's not a serious lead exposure hazard, so try another surface. If you can't find any peeling or cracking paint, then leave the sample out. Slide each card back into its bag and put it back in the paint compartment in your test kit. Make sure you write down the locations of your samples on the form.
To test for lead in the soil around your home, find the 3 small spoons and their plastic bags in your test kit. The labels have S on them for soil. Go outside and collect about 5 spoonfuls of soil from each of the 3 locations and put it in the bags, 1 bag for each location. First, collect soil right next to a wall of your home. Second, collect soil from anywhere in your yard, garden, or play area. Third, collect soil from another place in your yard that is different from the first 2 sample locations. Make sure you write down each location on the form in your test kit and then place each bag back in the same compartment. Put your form back in the test kit box too, close it up, and then go wash your hands.
The municipal water supply in South Bend doesn't have dangerous levels of lead, but plumbing fixtures in your residence can raise the lead level in your water. If you're worried about lead in your water, run your faucet for 30 seconds before using the water, or use a Brita-type water filter. If you are on South Bend Water Service, the water company will test your water for free. To sign up for a test in South Bend, call 574-235-5994.